Welcome to Shape Safari. Let's find shapes in the jungle. This is a circle. A circle is round. Can you draw a circle in the air with me? This is a star. It has many points.